to the eighth day of this applied AI and data science bootcamp. Before we deep dive into today's session, a brief reminder to all the participants, especially those who have been sponsored by your respective college. Please mark in your attendance without fail. This is very, very important and very critical for us to give the required support when your college authorities ask about you. So please ensure that you mark your attendance daily. And for the benefit of those people who haven't marked their previous attendance, we have opened that provision where you can mark in your attendance for the backdated. For example, on 18th, you have attended the session, but you haven't marked your attendance. For those type of cases, we have opened the backdated provision where you can go to the respective date and mark in your attendance so that it is updated till today. So we will keep that provision today. So make sure that each one of you who haven't marked the previous attendance, please update it, and then we will close it forever. And we will not again going to open it. So moving forward, each one of you, please mark your attendance without fail. So with that in mind, yesterday we had a wonderful session, the most important session I can say, the importance of views, joints, three types of joints: inner join, left join, right join, right? So joints are very, very critical and very, very important for any person who want to succeed in databases, or even as a data analyst, or even data science. Because the problem with RDBMS is data resides in multiple small tables. So in order to extract meaningful data from these tables, we need to join tables. So in order to join tables, you need to have a firm understanding on the types of joins and the type of keys available, and using those keys and joins, you will be able to combine tables to get meaningful information. So with that in mind, today our Praveen will be our instructor, and he will be talking about CTEs, and I don't know, and he is going to revise a few of the concepts that was
Oh,
shared yesterday. And
uh,
without wasting much time, let us hand over this time to Mr. Praveen,
yeah,
who will be our guide or instructor today, as well as in the coming 2 days. Over to you, Mr. Praveen.
yeah, thanks. Hi guys, hi all. So today we will cover cities and subqueries and also along with Windows functions. So we'll take more time to cover Windows function. At the initial stage of our session, I'll start with subqueries and then CTEs, and at last we'll go for Windows functions. Okay? Yeah. Good morning, Murli. Okay, everyone, just type something in the chat box like hi, good morning, something, so I can see the people who are active. Yeah, good morning. Yeah, good morning, all. Yeah, Radhakrishna, I'm fine. I think you're also doing good. Okay, guys, I'll start the session. I can see multiple responses. That's good. So, as I said previously, we are going to, learn about subqueries, CTEs, and Windows functions. All these three topics are very important, and take your time to understand. So, we will go slowly. So, whenever you get it out, just text me in the chat box. I'll see that and respond as quick as possible. So, okay, let's start with subqueries. So, as a topic, if I want to explain something like subqueries, it's a simple word. In a simple word, I can say it has like query inside a query. Okay. I'll show you the example and you'll get it. So, all of you see this query very clearly. So, if you remember, every time when we write from, we mention a table, right? If you see the external query, the outside query, which is outside the brackets, in from, I'm using this query as a table. So what in few words, what I'm doing is I'm using a query within from. Okay, I'm just using another query to retrieve something. Query inside a query is called subquery, and you can do as many as you can, as many times as you want to do. Just see. You can see this, right? The first internal subquery is this, and the second one would be like this. I'm doing nothing. Basic query. Uh, we are writing a basic query inside another query. Okay, I'll explain again. Okay, see, make it just do it simple. Do one thing, everyone. Just write some query, just a simple query. Everyone, Come on. Something like select star from patients or select first name from patients. You can do whatever you want. Or also you can write, you can type whatever you want. Just do something. Just type some query. Okay. This is one query that what we are doing. This is a simple query, right? So what I'm doing here is I'm writing another query here. I'm keeping this inside another query. You know the structure of query, right? Select column name from table name. So see everyone, I'll explain it clearly. This is also a general query, but the difference is that instead of table, in from we write table, right? Instead of table, I'm writing another query. I'm asking SQL, get the data from this query, not from any table. I'm asking the SQL to get data from this query. It's thinking like it's taking it like a table, you know. So to make it clear, this from and where are the two clauses we are going to write a subquery. First of all, try to understand writing a subquery inside a from clause. Okay, just see it clearly. The structure of a query is same. I'm selecting from and I'm writing limit. Are you able to see this? But instead of a table, I'm writing another query, keeping in them in a brackets. Are you people able to understand? Spandana? Yes, that's good. So what I'm doing is I'm giving everyone permission to talk because these topics are somewhat different. You might feel difficult. So you can unmute yourself if you want. So basically, what is the structure of our query while writing? Select column name from table name, table table name.
జాబ్ నేను అవన్నీ చూసి అబ్జర్వ్ మాట్లాడాలి.
Hello. See, anyone who have doubt, you can unmute yourself. Okay, see guys, this is the structure of our query, right? What we will do, like whenever we want to see, whenever we write a query, we write like this, right? Select column names that we want from a table. Come on. Hello. Uh, Hi. So you people can hear my voice, right? Uh, Nishita is saying no audio. I just want to get a clarity on that. Are you able to listen? Everyone just respond yes or no. Yeah, I'm audible, right? Yeah. Yeah, Nishita, just check your mic. I mean, check your audio device. Okay. So see, this is the structure of our SQL query, right? So what I'm doing is here, instead of a table name, I'm giving another query. So the data is coming from that query. That's it. Not more than that. Okay. That is a subquery. Yeah. This- Radhakrishna, what is? Can you tell me what is meaning? So come on, Radhakrishna, you can unmute yourself so and you can ask your doubt. What is your asking for? What is the meaning of what?
Sorry.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
What is the meaning? I mean, what we are going to do here is we are using n number of queries in this, right?
Mm-hmm.
That means
Yes,
we can use n number means unlimited times, right?
unlimited times. You
Yeah.
can type a query inside a query, inside a query, inside a
Can you
query.
show the once again? You can tell me that.
Uh, uh,
Can you explain
yeah.
it?
So you got the structure, right?
Yeah.
What I'm doing is in from instead of table name, I'm writing as query. Okay. I'll show you in the here. I'll show you here. Okay. So generally, when we select star from a table, we'll get everything from the table, right? So if you see that the everything which is inside the query is it's their first name, and let's say I'm asking, I'm getting another thing also, last name, and also I'll get a gender in this. So when I do a select star, this happens. And let's say only want first name and last name here.
We can use where also, no, sir?
What?
We can use where and
You can use that also. But first of all, the first thing we need to deal with is from. And
okay,
also I'll explain how we use subqueries inside a where clause also.
okay, sir. Okay,
Both are important. Okay.
okay.
Simple. Just remember like this. We are using another query inside from, and we are using another query inside where clause. That's it.
You are using the name both sides, that select.
Yeah,
We are
this is
using.
also a query, right?
Yeah,
This is
yeah.
a complete
That's
query,
good.
right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm using that complete query inside from.
Hmm.
And at the same time, from next, I'll explain how we use where subquery in where also. So
Hmm.
don't worry.
Yeah. Show me this one,
Yeah.
sir. You are writing select
Uh,
the name on the top, right? Select
yeah. Eh,
first name
So
from.
see this. What is the output? The output would be first name,
Okay.
and I'll type last name also. What we'll do is
Hmm.
we'll get another subquery also. So I'll go back here, and again I'll write select star, and I'll type from, and close the brackets, run it. You're getting it right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. You can use
See
the
this
select a number
brackets
of times,
clearly.
right?
Unlimited. You know if condition in Excel, nested
Yeah, 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 yeah,
if inside if inside if,
yeah.
that same criteria. You can use nested multiple times subqueries. Okay.
Can you give here gender, sir?
Agenda. I'll give that, but I need to go for CTEs also. At that time, I'll explain both the agenda,
No, no,
the
not that, sir.
scenario,
Not
why
that.
we use.
I'm asking about gender. You can use select star we wrote, right?
What do you mean?
Select star,
Mm-hmm.
in star place we can write gender also.
No, you can't write gender. You know why? Just see. There is no column like gender. You know why? It's referring the second internal thing. This one.
Okay, okay,
Yeah, you know what? This query looks for this subquery, the first one.
okay, okay,
This will look for this one, and the outer will look for this one.
okay,
So
okay,
you can't find gender. You only get first name and last.
okay, sir. Sorry.
Got it? Okay, okay. That's good. Asking questions is very good. So everyone can understand the usage of that. Okay,
Thank you very much, sir.
okay, okay.
I'm trying my side.
Yeah. Try it. Everyone just try it. Do random queries. Nothing. Just type inside from. Just type some brackets and write some query. Anything is okay. It will run. So I think you people are doing it. Okay. So if you see this example, here we can see that the use case, one of the use case for that, one of the use case, let's say we want, uh, the persons whose average salary is greater than, uh, in the particular department. If you see that, just look for the inside query. First of all, we'll let you know what exactly we are getting as an output. Here we can see department and the average salary for that particular department. If you see, there is a group by on department column. So we are getting department and average salary of that particular department. And they are asking for uh, just get the department where the average salary is greater than 60,000. So we are using subquery. I'll do this query in Excel at backend what is happening. Okay. So that you can understand more clearly. If you see this table, the average for HR salary department is 27,666. So if you see inside that subquery, this is what happening. we are getting average salaries. So outside, what we are doing is we are taking this as a table and using where clause to filter greater than 60,000. Are you able to get it? So whenever you use from clause, this becomes the inside query becomes the table, the complete source. Okay. This is how we use subquery in from clause. Let's see how we can use subquery inside a where clause. We have done with from clause, right? Now we'll do this with where clause. I will take a scenario to explain that. So the scenario here is I want admission date for patients who are male, only for male. Just see how I used it. Uh, are you able to see this scenario, everyone? Yes. So before we have used the query. This is a query, right? We have used this query inside from clause, but this time we are using the query in where clause. We are using it as like a condition. What is the condition? I want only male patient's admission date. So what I am doing is the inside query is doing getting only patient IDs from patient's table where the gender is male. And what I'm getting with this query, just check it. These are the patient IDs who are male. I'm running the query inside, this query. I'm running this query first. So you can see. So if I run this query, I'll get a list of patient IDs who are male. So what I'm doing is in external query, I'm writing, I'm looking for patient ID and admission date from admissions table. So I will need to filter the data where patient ID should be in this list, in this particular list, because all this list has only, male patients. Everyone got it? Do one thing, everyone. Come on, just write a query. I want you people to write a query. What is the query requirement is, you know, uh, just a second. I'll give that requirement. So everyone be ready. My requirement is, you know, his first name is Donald. This one. Write a query to get that. Everyone, write a query. Don't think for any subqueries. Just write a normal query. To get patient ID where the first name is Donald. So here I'm getting everything, you know, everything whose name is, yes, Chetu, good. So here I'm getting, every patient ID where the first Donald. Okay. So this is a list of patient IDs. So what I want is, I want admission date and patient ID. Where is the admission date? It is in the admissions table. Let's get the data from, you know, admissions table. First of all, just write a query to get data from admissions table. Okay, good, Nishta, good. Okay, see. So I'm getting everything from admissions table. So my requirement is, I want patient ID and admission date. Remove star, write patient ID, comma, admission date. Run this query because I only want patient ID and admission date. So I'm getting patient ID, admission date. For what? For everything. 5,000 records plus. But my condition is, I want to filter the data. What is my requirement? I only want patient ID and admission date when their first name is Donald. If you see the admissions table, there is no column naming first name. So what I'm doing is, I'm getting patient ID, I'm getting patient ID from patients table to filter this patient ID from admissions table. The upper one, see this query, I'm using this query. If you see this, we're getting only patient IDs where their first name is Donald. So I'm bringing this subquery here in where clause. Got it? Are you able to see it? I have destructured every part of query. Okay. Just see the query very clearly and try to understand it. And let me know if you have any other doubts. Yeah, that's good. Nishita is saying all clear. Come on, everyone, if you have any doubts. First of all, see the query very clearly, which was highlighted. So I think everyone able to understand it. So what I am doing is I just want you people to do at least one query. So one query. So if you see this subquery, it is getting admission, admission date and patient ID, whose first name is Donald. Now what I'm looking for is what I'm looking for is I want the same. Yeah, Spandana, as we use in to give a group of list. So if you remember, I previously said equal to, not equal to, and clauses. In is like in where clause we use in for giving a list of condition. If you see uh, patient ID in the list, in this particular list, so get me the records. If you give equal to like this, it only look for a particular single value. Okay, okay, that's it. Okay, before going to that, what I want is get me the patient ID and admission date, whose last name is Waterfield. Try to do this query by seeing this. By seeing this, okay? You can see this query. Come on, I'll give you 2 minutes of time. So, okay, everyone, you people are doing good. And Nishita, I want to clear something. If you see what the code you have typed here, where last name equal to Waterfield, it should be as it is, or like in the case format. It shouldn't be in completely uppercase. It won't work if you type capital letters Waterfield. Okay, everything is good. Remaining everything is good. It will work. Yeah. So whoever typed here, I'll give everyone points. I think 5 people. Okay, Chaitu, Chaitu already there in the list. Some points. Okay. Okay, I think you people got the logic how to use subqueries inside a from clause and where clause, which is very important. Let's go to another topic, CTEs. So, see, we have used a query inside a query, which is called a subquery, and CTEs are same like that. But this would be helpful when you write a query inside a query. If you see a subquery, it looks confusing. You know, if you write 5 or 10 times, let's say you write a query inside a query, inside a query, inside a query, like this, if you repeat this process 7 to 8 times, you look a bit confused. But for that solution, we got we got a thing called CTEs, Common Table Expression. Okay. If you see here the example, with key, with is the keyword for using CTEs. But I'll let you know how exactly we write that. Before that, I want to you people to understand why CT is always greater than subqueries. If you see readability, CT is the best. You can see it. The destructuring part is very clear, you know, and also the reusability. Subqueries also, that's good. But the CTs can be referred multiple times, with the same query, and also you can see it very clearly what part of a query is doing which work, which is getting the output. You can name it, the alias part, and debugging also easier when you work with CTs. And the last point to remember is best for simple one-time filters or lookups, complex queries, and multiple logic steps. When you deal with multiple logics and multiple queries inside a query, you need to use CTEs. Yes, subquery is useful, but it looks somewhat complicated to understand when you're writing the subqueries. Okay, this is how a subquery looks. When you write it in a CTE, the division of query. See here, what I'm doing is I'm writing with. With is a keyword to give a CTE. With the temporary table name I want to give, which is monthly spend as and I'll open the brackets and I'll write my query inside it. Okay, see it carefully. So I'm doing everything required inside this, the CTE, and I'm calling that CTE. If you see, I'm using from monthly spend. Let's open our tab. Where is my tab? Okay. So as I previously said, if you write like this is a subquery. Now what I'm doing is I'm using CTE. Are you people able to understand what I'm doing? Before thing is that we are writing from, you know, inside this from, I'm keeping this query before in subqueries. Now what I'm doing is I'm giving an alias to this temporary table with the clause. I'm using with and I'm calling that separately. This is very useful when you want to destructure a name, naming, giving alias to the table, and it looks very good. And also you can type multiple tables as you want. Are you able to understand the key difference between CTE and a subquery? Everyone, type something in chat box. I'll let you know. If you have any other doubts, you can ask me. Not an issue. Yes, yes, that's good. The major difference is I'm not keeping, uh, you know, uh, query inside from or inside a where clause. I'm giving that particular name, the table a name. I'm giving an alias and storing it separately on top of this. And below, I'm calling that as required. I can change the table name as per my requirement. I can ask a temp table 1 or temp table 2. That's it. Before that, what we used to do is, uh, you know, write a query inside that query. Okay. Okay, Kaushik, I'll explain again. Just see the, what I'm doing. I'm giving I'm writing with, and this is the temporary table name. And I'm writing my query here. What should be inside my temporary table? You can type whatever you want. This is also a query, you know, and if you see here, what I'm using here, I'm calling that temporary table here. Before while using a subquery, what we used to do, we used to type this query inside the from clause. But here, what we are doing is we are storing that query inside a temp table, giving a temporary name for the table and calling the table. You know, here the query is same, the normal query, but top over here, you need to, you need to give a temporary name and the query to store that values. That is a CTE, common table expression. Are you able to understand, Kaushik? Or else you can come on the call and I'll explain it clearly, destructure it. Yes, are you able to understand it, right? Just see the query very clearly. The bottom one is normal. That is a normal query. You can type, select star from table name, limit, where clause, everything is normal. But you have to understand this one, okay? You have to understand this structure of CTE with temporary table name. Who's that? Mm,
Papa.
you have to understand this, you know. Guys, try to understand this query. I'm also pasting, you know, this too. If you want to give another table also, just do simple thing. Just give a comma, temporary name as, and the query. And here you can change the table name and you can call that query as many times you want. Okay, you people are running, right? So try to use different tables. You can also write whatever you want. You can write a condition here. Okay, you can do whatever you want. Just nothing. I want you people to understand the structure how we write. The inside query is same. It would be same. Whatever you want, you can write conditions. You can filter the data. You can limit the data. You everywhere you are trying to write a query, you can do everything. But the format of writing here, you should know. Okay. Start with a temporary table name as, and here comes our first temporary table. And this is the second temporary table. You can destructure it. And also you can use the above temp table here also. See, and it works. Okay. Are you able to get this? The above temp table can be used in the below temp table also. Not an issue. Everyone, just I'll give you 2 minutes of time. Just try to do any CT. Just run it yourself in the website. Okay, guys, I think you people trying it. So let's move to the next topic. So everyone be attentive. You have to listen this carefully. This looks something, very different. This Thanos. So, okay, guys, listen carefully. So, someone is just trying to block the screen. So, just I have just removed him. So, listen carefully. Windows function is also a very important topic, and it's an advanced level of analytics. In SQL. Okay, I want you people to be attentive and focus very clearly. Just try to understand the concept of Windows function. Okay, let's start. So, if you see, we have done the group by, right? What does group by do? It summarizes and groups the elements. For aggregation, we can group by and get the sum of particular department, average of particular department, right? So like that, we can do that with Windows functions also. If you see, what is the difference between, if we have group by, why does we need a Windows function? Both do the same thing, right? If we see group by, collapses multiple rows into one summary row per group. If you see, HR department is getting only one column. If you see here, if I do group by, I'll get only one column for HR, one column for, one row for IT. But if I want to do average for one particular, department column, Windows function you know, won't collapse that rows into one. You know, this stays same, but you will get average side like this. Are you able to see? This is the output for Windows function, and this is the output for group by. So Windows function won't collapse the rows. The number of rows stays as it is, stays the same. And beside, you'll get the average for particular department. HR average salary is 26,600. Same here also. The same value will be repeated again, and the rows won't be collapsed. Okay? Got the difference between group by and Windows function? If you are unable to understand or you have any doubt, you can text me in the chat box. I'll explain. Okay. I just want you people to understand the difference here. First of all, before moving to the multiple functions, Windows functions, there are multiple Windows functions. I'll explain. But I want you people to know how Windows functions is useful and how it gets the data output. This is the output for a Windows function query, and this is the output for a group by function. Okay, no collapse of rows, and here the rows were collapsed into 5 to 2 rows. Here the data stays the same, and beside that we have a column, and column represents the average salary of particular department. Okay, we need to talk about, in Windows function, we need to talk about three main functions. Just give me a second. If you see here, these are completely Windows functions. Aggregate Windows function, ranking Windows function, value Windows functions. These are all are important, but I'm explaining the more important things so you can understand how they work. If you are able to understand two or three functions, and you can understand complete aggregator also. Okay, let's try to do rank, dense rank, and row number. So everyone, let's take a sample data and try to do it. I'll explain it clearly. So if you see here, can someone comment what is the uh, uh, you know let's say I'm giving a rank. Let's say I'm giving a rank. Who has a maximum capacity power station will get first rank, right? If you remember, I'll take some names. Let's start with very core point. So if you see this, if you see the example, if you see this example, so all you people are students, and these are the marks you got. So I want someone to answer who is the first rank student. Come on, fast. It's very simple example, right? Come on, who is first rank student? Yeah, Nishita is first rank. Come on. Nista, you got first rank. Come on, respond. Yeah, you got first rank people. Okay. What about second rank? Yeah, Spandana got second rank. Congratulations, everyone. Yes, yes. Oh, let's talk about the third rank. Abhishek. Yeah, yeah. Top three students. Yes. Are you able to get this right? Who gets maximum marks will get first rank. The second the second maximum value will get the second rank. That is a rank function. Okay. Okay. Let's say, let's say I want to get ranks in a reverse order. Who gets high will get low rank, but who gets less marks will get high marks. I mean, they will get high ranks. So in that case, in reverse scenario, who got the first rank? Yeah, Sai. Yes. Nishita? No, not Nishita. It's Sai. Sai is the lowest, right? I'm asking in reverse scenario. If I'll talk about, you know, the lowest marks will get first rank. So in that case, it is Sai. Yes, exactly. And yeah, that is what rank function does. So, so first scenario is highest marks will get first rank. So let's go to the first ranker. It is Pandana, second rank. Who is third rank? Abhishek, right? Just type, I'm typing manually. And Vasundhara, fourth rank. Who is this fifth rank? Shivani, right? Sixth rank, Chaitu. Seventh rank, Venkat. Eighth rank, Kaushik. Ninth is Sai. And when I talk about the reverse one, the lowest will get the highest rank. Got it? Are you able to understand this? Right? It's very simple. So when I write a function, like rank, if you see this, the output for this, I am looking for marks descending. Descending means highest will come first. So my rank would give like this. The output would be like this, the first one. If I give rank instead of ascending, I give descending. Instead of descending, I give ascending. The output would be like this. That is rank function does. Everyone got it? Yeah, Spandana, I'll say about that. I'll say about that. Yeah. So, okay, everyone, you people got the concept of rank, right? So, in depth, I want to talk about like whenever there is a tie for that value. Okay. Now, you people tell me the ranks. The order is same. Okay. I want highest marks will get first rank. Okay. So, let me say, talk about the first rank people. Who got the first rank? Again, we have tie values. We'll talk about it. Yes, Nishita. Let's give the first rank for that. Okay. What about the second rank? See carefully. Yes, yes, it is. Yes, both people are getting same. 1 second. Okay. So what about the third rank? Abhishek 3. Yes, Abhishek 3. And fourth, fifth, sixth, we know that, right? But I want to clear one thing about here. So we know that, right? There is no tie. So we'll give the remaining things. There is no tie for remaining people. So 3, 4, 5 will be given. But in rank function, there is a difference between rank and dense rank. Okay, just see that. See it here. Abhishek won't get third rank. Abhishek will get fourth rank when I use rank function. Just give me a second. I'll explain. So 3 will be skipped. You know why? Instead of third rank, I'm giving 2 again to Vasundhara. You know why? We are getting two different, same ranks. If there is a tie, we'll give same rank. But in rank function, rank skips the, next rank on the basis of previous repetition. Let's say Abhishek also got 99. So Abhishek will also get second rank. Okay. But here, 1, 2, 3. We are giving additional twos, we should give only 1, 2, right? But we are giving another 2 and also another 2. So we'll skip 3 and 4. And the next ranker will get directly 5. If you see here, we are skipping 3 and 4 because we are giving rank again and again because of tie. Okay. Let's type like this. 1 came 1 time, 2 came 3 times, and the next one would be 5. You know why? What is the order when we type rank? Are you able to understand rank? Yes, this is how I want you people to understand. If you repeat something, instead of 3 or 4, you're repeating 2 again and again, then those numbers will be skipped. And the next number would be 5. If you got 3 times the 2, the next number would be 5. 3 and 4 will be skipped. Try to understand this. Let's do another thing and you will give me the answer. So now give me the rank for remaining people. Come on. What is the rank for, Chaitu, Shivani, you know? Answer me that. For Chetu, what is for Chetu? Chetu is 5. Okay. Who is the next person we are getting? 65. Venkat. What is the rank for Venkat? Venkat rank is 7. Good. What is the next rank we are getting? 8. 9. Yes. Yes, you people are getting it. Yes, 8 and 9. So whenever there is a tie, we are repeating that we'll skip that much of particular rows, that much of particular ranks. Okay, that is dense rank. Okay, I mean that is rank. Sorry. Just sorry for that. That is rank. Okay. Now for the same values, I want you people to talk about dense rank. I'll say about dense rank. Okay. Yes, Pandana, very good, very good. You're answering very good. Yeah. Yeah, yeah, you people got the logic behind rank. So let's talk about dense rank. Again, Nishita got first rank, Vasundhara got second rank, along with Spandana and also for Abhishek. Until here, everything is same. Okay. But but what I want to clear is in dense rank, you won't skip. After two, you'll get three. Okay. After two, you'll get three. That's okay if you get a number of repetitions. N number of times is okay. Anytime, any ranks. But you won't skip numbers. One, two, three. You'll go like that. Okay. So, and the next number is four. So, are you able to understand the dense rank? Just a second. This is the dense rank output. See clearly. Same like rank, but it won't skip the next numbers. If you got 1, 2, 2, 2, the next number would be 3. No need of skipping. You can give multiple, ranks. If there is a tie, you can give multiple ranks. That's not an issue. You can repeat the rank. Got the dense rank? Difference between rank and dense rank? Yes, that is as simple as that. Nothing. You got the rank. But dense rank difference is you won't skip the numbers. No need of skipping numbers. How many twos you got? Let's say two, 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 two. But the third number would be, the next rank would be three only. No need of skipping. You can rank accordingly. You can also match the tie values. 99 got second rank, 99 got second rank, 99 got second rank. And the next value would be third rank. That is the key difference between rank and dense rank. And the last thing we need to talk about is row number. Okay. Hmm. So, okay, we got rank and dense rank. So, what happens? We don't want to give, if there is a tie, I don't want to give any, particular same ranks. I want everyone, each and everyone, unique ranks. No need of repetitions. I don't want any repetitions. I only want, you know, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's it. No, not like 1 1 1 2 2 2. If there is a tie, I don't want. Okay. So in that scenario, we use row number. Okay. Let's talk about uh, row number. Again, Nishita will get 1. Vasundhara might get 2. Might. Spandana 3. Abhishek 4. Who is 5? Shivani 5. 6. Where is 6? Again 5, right? So 6, 7, 8, and 9. See this clearly. Row number. Row number is not caring about if there is a tie or not. So, on scenarios, it attributally assigns the row number. Attributally means depending upon the things. If you want rank to give on the basis of score, if we got same score, and we can mention like if their name starts with a ascending order of their name, we can give that also. But even though if you don't give, even though if you don't give that particularity also, it won't repeat the rank. It will give only a sequential numbers 1 2 3 4 5, only that. Okay, got the difference between rank, dense rank, row number. Everyone see this data very clearly. So everyone, I think you people are able to understand this, right? So at the end of this session, I just want you people to ask a question, or else if you're good, I'll give some questions like to solve. I mean, no need to write a query because this is too complex. I want you people to understand how it works. You can explain it if in case you don't want to write. I have given you the permission to unmute yourself. Okay. So, for example, I'll try to rank the patients on the basis of their height. Highest height will get first rank. Okay, let's see this. Are you able to see this? See this, see this. The patient ID is 773. His height is 226 centimeters. He is the highest person, he's the tallest person in the patients. And he got the first rank. Let's say second rank is 225. And third rank, there is a tie for three people. And all of three people got third rank. And because of that repetition, the next rank we'll get is sixth rank. Because instead of 4 and 5, we are getting 3 and 3 again. Everyone got it? Do one thing. Do rank and dense rank on the person's weight. Okay? Highest weight, highest height should get first rank. Okay? Differently. On the you have done for height, right? I have given the example for height. You'll do it for weight. Rank different, dense rank is different. Come on, try to write the query and send it over here. I'll see the first three persons who do will get 5 points each. 2 minutes of time. I want rank and dense rank both. I'll see who is the person. First three persons will get 5 points each. Come on, Venkat. Rank, order by, dense rank, order by. Yeah, good. Venkat, I'll run that query. Venkat is right. I want Abhishek. Come on, Abhishek. You have given only. Oh, you have changed that, right? No. Abhishek did only for dense rank. I want the rank and dense rank both. Venkat is good. Abhishek, let's. Third person is Kaushik. Superb, superb. Murli, you have completed it, right? Just paste the query inside here. Good, good. Everyone, superb. Everyone are right. Yes, yes. Everyone, you got the points very right. So We have completed the today's session. If anyone want to ask any questions, you are free to go. You can ask.